Hello children, good morning. Children, as you know, we have completed our part 8, Sikho in Hindi. So children, as I already told you all previously, that we will not be writing any notes regarding any poem. Okay, whether it is English or Hindi. So you just go through the poem. This will be conducted you as oral test. Okay, and after that, go through the objective type. You can write this one by your own. Don't write the question answers, but this part, because the options are given here, this part and the fill in the blanks, like you need to join the letters and form a word. And this one, practice this one, learn the meanings. Okay, now let's start the lesson 9, Chatur Kisan. So you already know what is meant by Chatur. Chatur means what? Clever. Kisan का मतलब क्या है? Farmer. So Chatur Kisan, the clever farmer. Why he got the title as a clever farmer? Because he was little bit intelligent. In what way he was intelligent? Let's take up the lesson and understand the fact. So here there was a Kisan, that means a farmer, and there was one king who approached the farmer asking about how he will be taking care of his family and how much he will be earning every day. So let's see, this is the scene and how the farmer is replying to the king, will see. एक किसान अपने खेत में हल चला रहा था. उसी समय देश का राजा उधर से गुजरा. किसान को देखकर राजा रुक गया. So one of the farmer, किसान हल चला रहा था का मतलब क्या है? One of the farmer was plowing the field, his field. So kisan ka normally the profession of the kisan, the farmer is he'll plow the fields, he'll grow different kinds of varieties of crops, mean grains as well as the other food pulses or as well as the cereals and right children. He will also take care of his own field. He'll also take care of the what we call the cattle. So he was plowing his field. Suddenly one Raja was going from there. By seeing the farmer, he stopped. Who? One of the king, and he asked, Raja, तुम एक दिन में कितना कमा लेते हो? How much do you earn per day? किसान, महाराज, मैं केवल 4 आने ही कमा पाता हूँ. I earn only 4 annas. Do you know what is meant by 4 anna, children? This is 4 anna means 25 pice. Okay, because here 25 pice, you can think how it will become 4. So in the previous day, that means in the early age, there was a kind of a decimal system. So 6.25 is equals to 1 anna. Okay, then if we multiply 6.25 into 4, then we will be getting 25 pice. Yes or no? Yes. So 25 pice he was earning per day. So let's see, if we are taking 1 anna as 6.25 pice, then we have to put it into 4 columns, as he was earning only 4 annas. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. This total how much it will become? 25 pice. So what he is doing with the 25 pies or the 4 annas was the question asked by the king. तुम उनका क्या करते हो? The king asked, what you will do with the 4 annas? किसान, महाराज, 1 आने से खाना खाता हूँ. With 1 I'll eat food. Next, दूसरा उधार देता हूँ. I'll give to someone who is in the need. Okay. Second, 625 anna, that means second anna I'll give in the need to the people who are in the need of money. Third, तीसरे आने से उधार चुकाता हूँ. Third, 625 anna, he will be, that means 1 anna, he will be he will be like paying the person from whom he have taken the loan. Okay, normally we will be taking the loan to overcome our debts, right children? So तीसरे आने से मैं उधार चुकाता हूँ. जिनके पास से मैंने पैसे लिए हैं उनको मैं उधार चुकाता हूँ. नेक्स्ट, चौथे आना कुएं में फेंक देता हूँ. द लास्ट 1 पैसा last 1 anna I am throwing it in the well. So by listening this, even I am confused, even might be you guys are also getting confused. So think the Raja was puzzled and confused. How come? One piece is one Anna is eating, second Anna is donating, third Anna is paying for the debt, and fourth Anna is throwing it to the well. How come? When a person is earning only 4 pies, that means 4 annas. Sorry children, I am using pies here. So 4 annas per day, he can keep that money, whatever he is earning, for himself. Why to donate and why to throw it into the well was the questions going in the mind of king. So he asked the next question. राजा को उसकी बात समझ में नहीं आई. उसने किसान से बात को स्पष्ट करने को कहा. Now king did not understood whatever he said. He asked him, that means he asked the farmer to say whatever he is telling that in the clear form. Now Kisan is started telling, Maharaj, Your Majesty. That means we address to the kings as Your Majesty because they are the king and who is taking care of our country and the country people. पहले आने से मैं अपना और अपनी पत्नी का भरण पोषण करता हूँ. In first आना, I am eating as well as I am taking care of my wife. भरण पोषण में का मतलब क्या है? भोजन का और उनके रहन सहन का ख्याल रखना. Taking care of not only the food as well as the home in the first आना. दूसरा मैं बच्चों को खिला पिला देता हूँ. The second आना, I am making my children to eat as well as I am taking care of my kids with the second आना. दूसरा मैं अपने बच्चों को खिला देता हूँ. उस उधार को वे तब चुकाएंगे जब मैं बूढ़ा हो जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं तब काम करने में असमर्थ हो जाऊंगा जब वे मेरी देखभाल करके मेरा उधार चुकाएंगे. सो प्रीवियसली व्हाट ही सेड, पहले आने से मैं खाता हूँ, दूसरा उधार देता हूँ. सो आई विल गिव टू द पीपल हु आर इन नीड, राइट चिल्ड्रन. सो आई एम फीडिंग विद द सेकेंड आना, आई एम फीडिंग टू माई चिल्ड्रन बिकॉज व्हेन आई ग्रो ओल्ड, मैं जब बूढ़ा हो जाऊंगा, काम करने में असमर्थ रहूंगा, मीन्स आई विल बी नॉट इन ए पोजिशन टू वर्क ऑन माई ओन. सो आई एम फीडिंग टू माई चिल्ड्रन so that when I grow old, they will return me back whatever I have given them. They can take care of me till I die. This is the second आना. Okay. तीसरे आने से मैं अपने माता पिता को खिलाता हूँ. इस प्रकार मैं उनका उधार चुकाता हूँ. उन्होंने बचपन में मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है. Okay. Now third. For the third and first he what he said. तीसरे से उधार चुकाता हूँ. That means I am paying the loan debt. I mean the interest for the debt, whatever the loans I have taken, for that I am paying. In the first when he was explaining to king, then king did not understood. In the second sentence he is saying how he is giving the third ana. That means with the third ana he is taking care of his parents because his parents have taken care of him when he was very young. Okay, when we are young, our parents will take care of us. When they become old, we have to take care of our parents. This is our foremost duty, children. Everyone have to understand this concept because everyone are human beings. We can understand. Though we are maybe you are not in the position now to take care of your parents, but when you settle down, you need to take care of your parents. Okay, so here Kisan is also taking care of the parents because they have taken care of him. Now fourth ana, that means the last ana. मैं चौथा आना दान में चला जाता है. That means the fourth ana I will give it in the donation. What he said previously, the fourth ana I will be dropping inside the well, right? So their king was puzzled why he will drop the fourth ana in the well. So here he is telling that the fourth ana I am giving it in the donation, जिसके लिए मैं इस संसार से किसी फल की आशा नहीं करता. Then here he is saying that I am giving the fourth ana as a donation. This states that I am not expecting anything from this world. I am taking care of my family. I am taking care of my parents who have taken care of me, so that I am not expecting anything from the world. Instead, I am paying it. The fourth आना I am giving it in donation. It's very interesting thing, right children? So Raja, तुम तो बहुत ही विद्वान किसान हो, मैं तुमसे बहुत प्रसन्न हूँ. You are very very intelligent, dear farmer. I am very happy with your knowledge. किसान, आपका धन्यवाद महाराज. Very very thank you, your majesty is saying. राजा, सुनो किसान, जब तक तुम मेरा 100 बार मुंह ना देख लो तब तक इस प्रश्न का उत्तर किसी को ना बताना. So here the king was again, he wanted to see, he is a king, even he wanted to ask this type of question to his courtiers. So he thought, or the ministers, he thought this will be a tricky question if I ask to someone else, and if they are not answering, then we'll see, we shall be seeing how intelligent my people are. So by thinking this, he has asked to the farmer, see, till you are seeing me for 100 times, that means my face for 100 times, you are not going to reveal this fact and this story to anyone else. You have told me how you are earning the money and how you are spending or donating or whatever the taking care is going on. This story you are not going to tell to anyone, but this fact. Then ठीक है महाराज, नहीं बताऊंगा. Now farmer is telling, okay, your majesty, I am not going to tell to anyone. किसान ने राजा को वचन दिया और अपने काम में लग गया. दूसरे दिन राजा अपने दरबार में उपस्थित था, उसके सभी मंत्री भी वहाँ थे. So here the Raja have taken leave from the farmer, where the farmer have given that means he have promised the king that he is not going to reveal this thing whatever he said to king to anyone. Then Raja went from there. From the next day, when he was sitting in his court, and all the ministers were attended the court and they were sitting there. Then the same question he asked to his ministers. Raja, मैं तुम सब दरबारियों से एक प्रश्न पूछूंगा. I am going to ask one question to all the ministers here. जो मेरे प्रश्न का सही उत्तर देगा उसे पुरस्कार मिलेगा. And whoever is going to, पुरस्कार का मतलब क्या है? Gift or a hamper, a prize money. So whoever are going to answer my question are going to get, they are going to get a great gift or a good present. फिर राजा ने किसान के 4 आने खर्च करने वाली बात दरबारियों को बताते हुए उसका अर्थ पूछा. Now the same question he asked to his ministers and courtiers, the same question. So there was a farmer who used to earn 4 annas per day, and he used to spend money in this way. First he used to eat, second he used to give to others, third he used to pay for the debt, and fourth he used to throw into the well. The same question he asked. राजा के सब दरबारियों ने सोच विचार किया मगर कोई भी उत्तर नहीं दे सका. Everyone present there were everyone thinking what will be this is a very puzzled question. How can the kisan can drop the money whereas he is earning only 4 annas? They were thinking. उनमें से एक मंत्री को पता था कि कल राजा एक किसान से मिले थे. वह सीधे किसान के पास जा पहुंचा. उसने राजा के प्रश्न का उत्तर बता देने की प्रार्थना की. Now present there one of the minister know that yesterday Raja stopped nearby one farmer, and he was talking to that farmer. He heard from a little distance, but he doesn't know the answer. So that minister straightly he went to that farmer and he requested him to tell the answer. किसान, मैं विवश हूँ भाई, जब तक मैं राजा के 100 बार मुंह ना देख लूँ तब तक आपको इस प्रश्न का उत्तर नहीं बता सकता. Now he will say, the farmer is telling, I am sorry my dear minister, but until and unless I am going to see about 100 times the face of the king, I am not going to reveal the answer, because I have promised to the king that till I am seeing for 100 times, I am not going to tell this off. Then दरबारी किसान का मतलब समझ गया. उसने तुरंत 100 स्वर्ण मुद्राएं किसान को दी जिन पर राजा की छाप थी. किसान ने झटपट उत्तर बता दिया. दरबारी ने तुरंत जाकर वही उत्तर राजा को बता दिया. राजा ने तुरंत किसान को बुलवाया. So the scene you see children. So when the farmer told the same thing to the minister, he was little surprised. Why? See, when the king had to come and show his face for 100 times, it will be very much late. So what he got one idea. He have taken out one of the potli bag from his pocket. In that there were 100 coins, gold coins. In those days they used to use gold coins. On the gold coin there used to be printed on one side there used to be a face of the king, ruling king. So he have kept all the gold coins there, and he said, you count each and every coin for 100 times. That means you will be seeing the face of the Raja for 100 times. Then you can tell me. So immediately the Kisan was very happy by seeing that. By seeing the 100 gold coins, he picked each and every gold coin by seeing the face of the king, and he said the answer, how he explained to the king. It's a really interesting thing. So when he went, the minister went back to the court and he said the answer to the king. Then the king was very surprised as well as very much angry that how come this guy know. Maybe the farmer only have revealed this to him. He immediately called up he sent his another security guards to call the farmer from his place. Raja, now he is telling, Raja, अपना वचन क्यों नहीं निभाया? Why you did not obey your words which you have promised to me? किसान, महाराज, मंत्री जी को उत्तर बताने से पहले मैंने आपका चेहरा 100 बार देख लिया था. Now he is telling, before answering to your minister, I have seen your face 100 times and only I have answered his question. Raja, भला तुमने मेरा चेहरा 100 बार कैसे देख लिया? No, here king is also confused. He is asking, when have you seen 100 times my face? किसान ने तुरंत राजा को 100 स्वर्ण मुद्राओं की थैली दिखाई. Now he immediately picked up the bag in which he was having the golden coins. There he showed, in this there are 100 gold coins on which your face is printed, like inscribed on that. I have seen your face for 100 times, then only I have revealed. राजा सब कुछ समझ गया. उन्होंने किसान की चतुराई पर प्रसन्न होकर उसे 100 और मुद्राएं इनाम में दे दी. Now after listening to the farmer, the king was very much moved and even very much pleased with his intelligence. Not only that gold coins whatever the minister have given to him, but also the Raja also gave 100 another next 100 set of 100 gold coins to him for his wit and wisdom. Very interesting lesson, no children? So you guys once again go through the lesson and explain this one to your parents or to your siblings. Okay, in the next video we shall be writing the rules. Take care children. Bye bye.